Ritika Mende. I'm from Maharashtra. I'm currently working in Visual India Private Limited.
Mm-hmm.
It is a product-based company, and I'm working as a Java developer, including technology like Java, Spring Boot microservices, Neo4j, MongoDB's database, and front-end JavaScript. That's
Okay.
all about me.
So you know advanced JavaScript.
Yes,
Okay. So Java, which version right now using?
currently 21.
21. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
So database you have right now
Neo4j,
MySQL,
MongoDB.
MongoDB. So why we are using MongoDB?
Okay. In our product, data is very complex to store history.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we are using MongoDB to store the history and other data, bulk data,
Mm-hmm.
and for the graphical representation, we use Neo4j. Yeah.
Okay. So how much you have experience right now?
Currently, 3.11 year of experience in same technology.
3.11 means approximately 4 years, right?
Right.
Okay. So you know Stream API.
Yes.
So how do you perform Stream API in your programming language?
Okay. In case I want filtering data and
Mm-hmm.
using using filter predicate, we use stream API filtering and manipulation. Use map method.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or conversion. At the time of conversion, string to list to set. That time use stream API.
So suppose I will tell you you convert array list to map. So how do you convert list to map by using Stream API?
Okay. Stream API. Um, and only the convert collector method to use to convert map. Um,
So this is only way, right?
yeah, to map method. Yeah,
Okay.
because string providing collector to set to list to map. Yeah.
Okay. So you know flat map. What is flat map?
Okay. If you want to return stream, the in that case we use flat map.
So that you can use by using map also.
Okay. Mm, flat map. Uh, in case I want multiple stream, in that case use flat. Means I want to perform operate. If I want to perform multiple operation on string, in that case use flat.
So you know terminal operation in Steam API
Okay. For each method use
only for each.
only for each. Um,
And what is non-terminal?
um, sorry,
Non-terminal operation.
your voice is breaking.
Non-terminal operation in Steam API.
Okay, non-terminal location map.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, find many, find all.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Filter.
So you know lambda expression,
Yes, because we perform the operation using string operation using lambda
stream operation,
or
eh?
method referencing as well. Yeah. Yeah.
So here we want to define static method and default method. So what is use of this?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
What is use of static and default method in interface in Java 8?
Okay. Static and default method. Okay. If you want to directly access the method without creating them, then in that case we use static method. And uh, and and functional inter. Okay.
Okay. So what is functional interface?
Yeah, contain single abstract and multiple default and static method.
So if you
Mm.
default and
That interface you can
if
calling.
suppose I suppose I don't want to write static and default methods, so it not would be a functional interface.
Yeah, abstract method is mandatory for functional interface. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many methods we can define in abstract functional?
Only only one abstract method.
And suppose I want to define one more abstract method, then what will
So
happen?
it will showing the compilation error, I think.
I think, huh?
No, definitely it will show the error.
Okay, so okay, so that's why I think you have doubts. So also doubt for my side also. Hmm?
No, no.
Okay,
Only one abstract method will functional interface. If you want to build a multiple abstract, then remove the annotation functional interface. Yeah, that
okay.
is. Yeah.
So you know transient variable and volatile variables.
That type.
Volatile.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Okay. No problem. So you know, suppose I want to ask you, you differentiate between comparable and comparators. So how do you differentiate?
Okay.
Hmm.
Comparable and comparator. Okay. If you want to compare only one field, that time is comparable, and comparator is multiple field. If you want to compare with multiple, that time is comparator.
Comparator.
Yeah.
Okay. You know OOP concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me. Yes, please tell me.
Okay. In your Java, we use abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, object and class.
Object and class.
Yeah.
And polymorphism.
Okay. Polymorphism is a mechanism in which one class one perform polymorphism is a mechanism contains one object where all properties and behavior.
Polymorphism.
Yeah, static and default for methods.
So what is
Uh,
overriding, overloading?
okay, overriding and overloading. Okay, uh, overriding means one class acquire all behavior of subclass is called method overriding, and method overloading is one method. Method contains same parameter with different parameter with same method. Yeah.
So you giving just reverse answer. Hmm?
Method overloading means method contain same parameter,
Hmm.
and method overloading. One method has different parameters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know what is difference between map and um, hash map and tree map?
Okay, hash map and
Tree map.
map and treatment. Okay. Um, in your collection framework, both are the interfaces. Map is interface and providing in the classes of hash map and treatment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Uh, hash map.
Okay. So why you are using Springboard?
Okay. Why we are using Spring Boot to develop web application, API, creating APIs. That's why we are using Spring Boot.
No, so you can use Spring Framework, Spring MVC. By using Spring MVC, you can create REST API.
Okay. In Spring is Spring Boot provide the additional feature with removing boilerplate code. It provide a Spring Boot starter with managing the dependencies as well.
So can
And
you give the
yeah,
starter name? Can you give
sorry.
two startup name?
Okay,
Startup name dependency.
okay. Spring Boot starter JPA.
Mm,
Uh, Spring Boot starter MongoDB to connect with database. Man.
mm.
Then Spring Security to for security purpose. Then
So you
use
know Spring Security?
Lambda. Sorry,
You
uh,
know Spring Security?
um, not very much.
Mm.
Uh, I know about a Spring Security provider authentication authorization purpose. We use Spring Security.
No authentication authorization without Spring Security you can do that.
Uh, no, how it possible? So for that we use cloud to managing this thing
Mm.
without
So
sick.
you know what kind of design pattern you know?
Okay, singleton design pattern, stack design pattern,
Single design pattern and
abstract.
abstract design pattern
Yes.
or abstract factory design pattern.
Yeah, abstract factory design.
So how do you design abstract factory design pattern? Can you give any example?
Okay, abstract design pattern. Suppose I'm developing a feature and I want the same information. Uh, Same information. That case, I use a method. I created one interface and mention method in I want suppose I want data from two different data, but same method. That case, in that case, I created two interface, and for that I create one interface and extend both interface in that interface and use method in both the case if um, and implement logic accordingly. In that case, they use abstract method.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know JPA?
Yes.
So in JPA, why, how to use JPA? Suppose you want to implement in a Spring Boot, so how do you use JPA? How do,
Okay.
yeah.
First of all, I use dependency in my POM 5,
Mm-hmm.
GPU dependency.
Mm-hmm.
After that, yeah, a big, majorly GPU use with the relational database. So suppose I using MySQL. In that case, I use GPU providing the all the methods like own method, save all, find by ID.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Okay. tell you, you create Scratch Spring Boot application.
Okay.
So how do you create?
Okay. First of all, I using the Spring initializer
Mm-hmm.
uh, and create one project in that case by using Maven and selecting the Maven. Spring, I'm going to Spring IO, and in that I select Java version, Mavens, and dependency. First of all, I use JPA and web for Tomcat server and GPA for data. If I want to connect my database, in that case, I use Mongo or MySQL dependency and Lombok for annotation and README boilerplate. Or if I want security, I uh, also add one another dependency, Spring Security, and going to my Spring Boot application and then import the zip file, whatever I created project from Spring IO, and then I can start my developing my web application.
Okay. So database you told I know the MySQL, right?
My yeah, MongoDB.
So MySQL, suppose you are using,
Yeah,
so how do you uh, use union all?
Union.
Mm.
Uh, Sir, I am currently using MongoDB.
Mm.
Union. All. Okay.
So you know joins,
Yeah,
how many
yeah,
types of joins?
yeah. Cross join.
No idea.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, there are five types of join using MySQL. MySQL. Um,
Left join, right join, inner
yeah,
join,
yeah,
self join, cross join. Hmm?
yes, yes.
So, okay, so what area you feel strong in technology?
Sorry.
Which area you feel more strong?
Okay. Programming sites.
Programming side. Okay. So suppose I will tell you, you can find out duplicate characters from string. So how do you write the code?
Okay.
Hmm. If you want to write, you can write here. The console is open.
Sir,
Hello.
yeah,
Yes, please tell.
Sir, first of all, I convert this string into array and matching the all element. If it's same in that case, then removing the element from that array list and again convert that array list into string. Yeah.
Okay, so I think I have completed. Before closing the window, if you want to ask anything else,
Oh, sir, thank you.
thank you, thank you. Hello.
Yeah, hi, good morning. Can you please join the call for 10:30?
10:30 contingency also there?
Yeah, can please stay in the call only.
Okay, okay, okay. Just leave it.